In the meantime, Parliamentary Secretary Senator Marlon Morgan says the Auditor General's report in relation to spending highlights the need for the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARRA bill. He contends that the report shows that the government has also moved to expand over $11 billion in relation to Hurricane Melissa relief and recovery-related contracts.
The Jamaican people should note that the Auditor General report does not contain any scandalous or damning finding of loss and/or corruption, and in many respects reaffirms the bureaucracy-related challenges that many Jamaicans are already aware of, and understandably so, have grown impatient of. The public is fully aware that our country's growth and development are being inhibited in part by our stark implementation challenges. What the Auditor General report underscores is that it cannot be business as usual. The report affirms that NARRA will go a far way in helping Jamaica to efficiently and effectively utilize available funds in improving the quality of life of the Jamaican people.